Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me Hannah, and this video is going to be like something really productive, and I completed a lot of tasks this week, so I recorded this video and I hope you will like this video. I know guys that I have promised a routine video which is coming really soon, like maybe this week or the next week, so wait for it and do subscribe to the channel. For lunch I had sambar vada, and in the evening we went to Mangla Sahib. So here you can see affirmations on my wall and how I've like completely changed it. I'll definitely share it with you guys, stay tuned. And here I'm journaling, like I was not feeling productive, so I used some journal prompts and just started journaling. So here you can see the lecture plan I follow currently, and I just watch lectures for 2 subjects recently. The third subject which is left, I usually revise that on that day or maybe not, but I mainly focus on the 2 subjects I have planned. One more thing guys, we are really close to 1k subscribers. If possible, please share this video to your friends, and if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel and like this video, and also hit that bell icon for more interesting content. And also check out my shorts which are really motivating, and yeah, you'll definitely like it, I'm sure about it. Thanks for watching guys. If you really like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my more videos. Bye.